Hello everybody, this is Orgo Sinha. Today we have two cWAN devices. One is acting as the server and another one is acting as the branch. We'll be discussing load balancing over WAN interfaces. These two branches are connected with two VPN SSL tunnels which are done over the internet. For the branch side to get internet, it is using two SIM cards, 4G SIM cards, and for the server side to get internet, it is using one WAN Ethernet connection. And over that, we have two VPN SSL tunnels. Now we'll switch over to the web UI. And as you can see here, we are in Tenet Delhi, which is our client side. We have two WAN 4G interfaces in here. And if we go ahead and go to our Tenet HQ, our server side, we'll see that we have one WAN interface here. And in the server side, we have created two tunnels. I'll just show you the tunnels once. These are two VPN tunnels which are created on the server side. We have the same of these on the client side as well. Let's give it a few seconds to load. As you can see, we have these two tunnels on the side, and this is what makes the connection between them. So we'll go ahead and go to Net Balancer, which lets us configure load balancing weightage to each interface. So as you can see, we have two interfaces, one VPN 0 and one VPN 1. We have the same weightage for both sides. And if we go and do the same thing here, we'll see that we have weightage of 1 and 1 on both tunnels. So now we'll quickly go ahead and do a file transfer. I have already made a connection. I have already have an admin server running on my HQ, and as you can see, there is data transfer already happening. So now we'll go ahead and go to the CLI and SSH into our 65 device, which is the device that is on the client side. We'll go ahead and log into the device. We'll enter 8765, enter the password, and then we'll do IP traffic to see how the traffic is passing through the interfaces. And if you check the speed here, VPN 0 and VPN 1, the speeds are almost the same because we have configured it as 1:1 ratio. Now we'll go ahead and change it. I'll just go ahead and explain it to you first. So this is what we'll be doing. As you can see, we have 4G interfaces on both ports, and we'll be giving a weightage of 2:1, so that for every two packets that is traveled from tunnel 1, one packet will be traveling from tunnel 2, which in our case is VPN 0 and VPN 1. So I'll quickly go to the web UI in Net Balancer. I'll go ahead and change our first VPN tunnel, VPN 0 tunnel, and give it a weight of 2. Now we'll do the same thing on our server side. We'll go ahead and we'll increase the weightage to 2 for VPN 0. Now I'll go to the CLI again, restart the CLI. And as you will notice here, we'll be sending twice the amount of data from VPN 00 than from VPN 01. As you can see, it is almost double the speed of what VPN 01 is providing. Now just to make things more interesting, we can go ahead and increase the weightage even more to see what happens and to see a clear difference. So we'll increase the weightage to 20. We'll do the same on the server side. We'll increase the weight to 20. And update it. Now I'll get back to the CLI interface and refresh this page. And as you can see, the difference is quite clear. The speed has a notable difference here. It's 20:1 right now. So as you can see, it's already crossing 2000 while it's barely reaching 100. So this is how we can load balance our two VPN tunnels or two interfaces. Thank you for joining the session. Have a good day. Bye.